Good morning, everyone. My name is Zia, and I make videos about full-time nomad life. At the moment, I am transitioning out of my full-time life in my Class B camper van into this new shuttle bus. And at the moment, I'm waiting for IKEA to deliver my kitchen, which apparently weighs about 650 pounds, and there should be about 56 pieces coming. I'm sure glad I didn't decide to go and try and pick it up in my vehicle and load it and unload it myself. So I'm very excited today. I think this may be it. Very much.
Have a nice day.
I'll be busy.
Yeah, very busy.
Okay, so the kitchen is delivered. I'll give you a little shot of what I've got here. Let me put my coffee down. Turn you around. Well, these are certainly going to keep me busy this week. Luckily, I think I still have enough floor space in here to get this all assembled and put together. I might even start today. I don't know. What do you think? I don't know what to start with. I guess the base cabinet. Sorry, I know the light's not very good in here right now. I can hardly see myself in the camera, but yeah, the plan is in here that I have decided to split the kitchen onto two sides near the front of the shuttle bus. And the reason for that is I don't want to have the kitchen all down one side and then be sitting on my sofa and looking at a kitchen. I don't want to be looking at the oven and the cooktop and the sink. So I thought if I condensed it to the front half of the bus on both sides, that would leave me a bigger area at the back towards where the bed will be. And when I'm sitting, also another reason for doing this too, is because the kitchen counters will come up above the bottom of the windows by quite a bit. I'm going to lose a lot of the bottom half of the windows. So if I have the kitchen all at the front, and I have my sitting area and my dining area towards the bed, all those pieces are lower. I'll be able to look out either side out of the full window and looking at something nice instead of just looking at the kitchen cabinets. So that's my thinking. I haven't, I'm going to put the base cabinets together. I'm going to sort of play with the arrangement on it and see what I think works best. But I'm thinking that's what I want to do. I have changed my mind in the past about these things. In fact, I think in last Sunday's video, I said that I wouldn't be touching the bed platform. Yeah, I think that's going to happen, actually. I think I'm going to be tearing that out because I can gain 9 inches of floor space if I take that out and move it back. And I also can lower it. I'll still have a lot of garage space underneath, but it'll be easier for me to get into, and it won't stick up so far above the windows either. So that's for another day, though. The focus right now is going to be trying to get this kitchen assembled and installed. Okay, I guess there's no time like the present to get started. I had 54 individual pieces delivered. Can't imagine how many you get when you're building a full-size kitchen in a house. But I'm going to start with this piece. It's, I believe it's a 15-inch wide base cabinet. So let's see how this goes. I can't even lift the box. This is not going to be easy. For all intents and purposes, this should be a really easy one to put together. Famous last words. Okay, the first cabinet is out of the box. That was a struggle. These things are really heavy. I've managed to get 3 screws in that one and a bracket, and I'm just going to put the same in this one. So let's put this puppy together. All right, that's a start. Only 550 more pounds of material to go through. With all this IKEA furniture or cabinetry in here for me to build, I need to free up some more space. So I've taken one of the cabinets out. Now the other one has to come out. And then behind that brown box there is a microwave, a few other things, because I need more room for building. So let's get this cabinet out of here. It's gone. Took a little break from putting cabinets together to take out this seat because it was a temporary seat. There was no seat belt for it. And I'm going to make use of some of this space here. So that's a job, another job well done. Today I had a friend come over and help me assemble some base cabinets. We got these ones done. And I will explain why I needed some help. So my girlfriend, Lisa, was just here this morning to help me assemble these cabinets. Thank you so much, Lisa. I needed the motivation. I did overdo it, taking out my old kitchen. And I actually, my back started to threaten, my lower back was threatening to seize up on me. And I was just feeling a bit overwhelmed. And so yesterday I started to clean up things a bit so that we would have room to assemble in here. And I put the microwave that was in here and the camping toilet on the bed at the back and climbed in the back door to take things out. And after I had moved things to the storage under the bed, I went to step down and I missed the step and I fell out of the back of the bus and landed on my new hip on the road and on my left wrist. So today, she could have stayed for another hour to help me, but I was in a little bit too much discomfort. So she has gone home. So grateful for her help. It's been enormous. I'll give myself a day off. I'm okay. I didn't break anything. I think I'm probably going to have a bruise. And like I said, I'm sore and my lower back is sore. So that's enough for today. I'm going to go and take it easy for the rest of the afternoon. So it's going to slow me down a bit, I think, but hopefully it won't be too long before the kitchen's done. Well, it's almost a week since I started this video, and things haven't progressed really any further than where I showed you the 4 cabinets put together. Today is Saturday, and I'm hoping some of my family may come tomorrow and give me a hand. So I'm going to try and put some more of the drawers together, maybe the cabinet doors, the drawer fronts, that sort of thing. Try and make a little more progress. But I really was slowed down by taking the tumble off the bumper at the back of the bus earlier in the week. And my back is still threatening. So I've been taking it quite easy. Things don't always go according to plan. I thought that by the time you were watching this video, my kitchen would be in place. But that's the reality. You know, you've got to keep it real. I was hoping that I would be finished within the next couple of weeks. And I have to say that once the kitchen is put together, that's the hardest part of this. The girlfriend who came to help me assemble some of these cabinets, and I'll tell you, with 2 people it goes a lot quicker. She has offered up her boyfriend, and with our help too, of course, to install the panels on the ceiling. So hopefully that's going to make a huge difference in here. It's really quite ugly to look at the moment. So I find that this past week I've been sitting out here doing a lot of pondering, kind of sitting, thinking, making plans, and one minute I'm going to tear this bed platform out, and the next minute it's like, no, just get the kitchen in, get it livable for now, and do that down the road. So I'm still not sure yet. I guess it depends on how much progress I make in the next few weeks. But I've been sharing some of my ideas with a couple of my girlfriends who have a really good eye for design, and they seem pretty excited about my vision for in here. So it'll come together over the next little while, but I am really champing at the bit to get in here and start doing some traveling again, and just, you know, to have my own space again. It's been a really difficult month. I'm very grateful to have had the opportunity to help my friend whose driveway I've been in and whose home I've been using for storing things and even for living in while I haven't had a home to live in. Very grateful to have had the opportunity to help recovery from some surgery. So it was helpful to my friend, and it was also very, very helpful to me. Initially, recovery is difficult, and so I was helping out quite a bit the first few days, the first week, and now I'm doing the chauffeur duty until my friend can drive again. And then, of course, I lost Charlie, and I lost Luna, my van, which had been my home for a year. And so, you know, not only am I needing to start developing a new routine in my life, because Charlie was such a huge part of my daily routine with his feeding time schedule and his medication time schedule as well. And so I need to find a new rhythm in my life, and I also need to feel that sense of independence and freedom, and have the opportunity to travel and meet some more new people. I'm going to leave the video here for today. If you like the videos, please give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe if you haven't. It means the world to me. It's making a huge difference to me. Thank you for all the new subscribers. It seems to go up a little bit every week, and that's amazing. I'm quite blown away by that, actually. Wherever you are in our really, truly great, big, beautiful world, despite all that's going on, if you can get out there in nature, get away from the noise of what's going on in the world, restore your soul and your spirit a little bit, it will do you the world of good. But I hope wherever you are and whatever's going on in your particular life right now, I hope you've had a wonderful day. And I'm going to say bye-bye for now.